Hey, what's up guys? I showed you a video on this house a couple of videos back on my YouTube channel. We just recently stuccoed the exterior. We had a bad brick job there, so we covered it up by stuccoing it. And we stuccoed the rest of the exterior of the house. We've got a base paint on, and let's go ahead and show you the inside. Okay, now we're inside the house, and basically what we've done is this is a full renovation. So we've put new tile in, so we're using this standard 16 by 16 traffic master tile that you would find at Home Depot, and you can see the color of the paint that we're going with is very neutral to match that tile. And the baseboards is new 3¼ inch baseboards. I'll go ahead now and show you what the kitchen looks like. Alright, so this is the kitchen. We've got the kitchen cabinets and a new granite countertop, so you can see what that looks like. And this is the backsplash we're going to be putting in. So it's a pretty clean look. You can see basic cabinets, and then we've got over here a space for the stove and the microwave up there, and the dishwasher is going to go down here. Alright, so that's the kitchen. Let's go ahead now and show you what the bathrooms look like. Alright, there's one bathroom, and I really think we're going to have to replace these windows because it's just not looking good the way it looks right now. Let me show you the other bathroom. Alright, and there's a little half bathroom basically. Okay, now I'm in the bedrooms, one of the bedrooms, right? So this is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, and obviously the same paint color, but for the flooring, we're using laminate wood flooring. That's what it looks like. And we've got that as a unique look throughout. So basically as I walk through the house and you come into the common areas, the living room, the family room, the kitchen area, and the bathrooms are all tiled with basic 12 by 12 traffic master tile. And then the bedrooms, we're using the laminate, which I just showed you. Alright, so this house over here, listed on the MLS, should probably fetch somewhere around, I'm hoping 170, 180 right now. Prices are really flying, and should be a pretty nice rehab with a good profit margin. What I'll do is I'm going to show you one more video in a couple of weeks when this house is completely done. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.